Hi, my goal is to inform you about what you need to know about Paris, France, to help you prepare for your trip, travel safely, and have success meeting with your potential client. I have put together this short presentation that summarizes the important information you should know before you travel to Paris, France. My name is Faisal Al and I work as an analyst for Kingsfield Boutique Consulting. I received my BA and my MBA from University of Texas A&M in Kingsville. My expertise is in international business and I have experience traveling abroad with trips to over 20 different countries. I have prepared my clients for trips abroad and have spent countless hours researching the destination of your business trip. The information in this presentation will prepare you for your business trip to Paris, France, and help ensure that you are safe and that your trip runs smoothly and that you have the best chance of success when you meet with your potential client. The information you need to know falls into four categories. I will first talk about how to prepare. Second, I will provide you with an overview of Paris, France, and describe the general environment. Third, I will provide you with information related to the customs, and culture of Paris. Lastly, I will explain what what to expect in inauguration. This information comes from various sources, including the U.S. Department of State, the federal agency that is responsible for Americans when they travel abroad, as well as sources with expertise on matters related to Paris, France. Before you depart, you will need a valid US passport. Your passport also needs to be valid for at least 3 months beyond the end of your trip, and you need to have at least one page that is empty for stamps, according to the US Department of State. You do not need any visa for visiting France. The currency of France is the euro, so you will need to exchange your US dollars to euro if you plan to spend cash. The official spoken language of France is French. France is located in Western Europe and border with 8 other countries, including Belgium, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Monaco, and Spain. France is also part of the European Union. Paris is the capital of France, and it's a global business center with population of nearly 66.7 million people. When you arrive, you will notice a very rich culture and a lot of diversity. In fact, the diversity of its culture is something that French people consider as a matter of national pride. There are few things you should be aware of regarding the culture and the custom of Paris, France, as you will uh, as you will likely to be having a working lunch or a dinner during your visit. The French consider dining and a dining to be especially important. It's important that you arrive on time for meals, especially for dinner. It's customary to provide advance notice and explain in the event that you will be more than 10 minutes late during dinner. You should wait to eat until instructed to do so. Table manners and table manners are also especially important. Follow these rules when dining. If still eating, place place fork crossed over the knife in your plate. A bad manners to place or rest your elbow on the table. Do not rest your arms on your lap. Organization are very organization are very centralized in France. So when negotiation are a centralized process. This may result in important decisions being delayed. Negotiation are middlemen, so be prepared for decisions to be overridden overridden by more senior personnel. Traditions is another important aspect of negotiation in the France culture. There are established stages that govern negotiation, and these stages are taken very seriously. It's important to only focus to your it's really important it's important to only focus your attention on the content and purpose of what's being discussed at the time. Prior to your trip, be sure to have a valid US passport with an expiration of at least 3 months beyond the end of your trip. The currency of France is euro, which is also used through the various member countries of the European Union. Paris has a large diversity population. The French consider diversity of the population to be a matter of national pride. Be sure to follow tips on dining from this presentation. Remember that negotiation are a centralized process and rooted in a tradition. Don't be discouraged if you do not get an immediate decision from the potential client, and have a good trip.